take your time, okay? You can't be doing this 5 minutes, you know, 5 minutes before you gotta run out the door. You can't be doing this and Janie just told you she outside. You can't. Hello, what's up? Welcome back. It's your girl Kristen, aka Krissy, and I'm here with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. Yes, as it looks, I have on the same kind of dress that I did in the Lash video because I recorded them on the same day. But yeah, I'm about to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna start with a little like mascara wand, and I'm just using that to brush my eyebrows in the natural way in which they grow. Now there's so many different things that you can use to do brows, and if you guys want other videos of me using different things, since I have so many different things that I really love when it comes to using doing your brows. But today I only have a few things that on hand, which is a brow pencil, like a regular old brow pencil in like a dark brown, and as you can see, it's wore out. I don't have I need to go re-up on a lot of stuff. So it'll just be a basic brow tutorial, like using a brow pencil. Like, I guess this is as basic as it could get for real when it comes to doing brows and using utensils. So I won't even use like this little brow tan. I'm just gonna show you guys how you can do it using a brow pencil. So for this video, all you're gonna need is a brow pencil. You're gonna need a brush. And this brush is just gonna be any kind of flat kind of headed brush so you can like brush your brows. In between, you'll need a mascara wand or anything like that, something like that, a spoolie, like some kind of brush like this. It doesn't really have to be that, and you really might not even see a need for that, but I kind of do. Depending on the type of style you're looking for, let's say that too. What I'm going to go for today is super natural. I'm going to be following my brows to create this brow look. I'm just enhancing what I already have. As you can tell, I have brows. They're super light. So because of that, I always look for a super darker look. Not super dark, but like a darker look. And I always just like the crisp look, you know what I'm saying, to brows. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So that's what I'm going for today. If you have other desires when it comes to brows, like maybe changing your shape, then we can do that in a different video. But this is not what this is. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do my brows. You might see me look over here and there because there's another mirror right here, and it's gonna be kind of hard because this is my first time recording on camera doing my brows like this. So I'm gonna try to get as much footage up close like this as I can, but you might see me jump over here. So yeah, sorry about that. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, let's first sharpen this up a little bit. I don't want to sharpen this too much because it's on its last leg. So when you get down to a certain amount, you sharpen one time and that junk is broke. Like, it's no more, it's gone. So I just sharpened it up a smidge. Now what I'm doing again is I'm just following what I already have. So I kind of extended it from where you see my brows go. You don't have to do that. That's totally optional. I kind of wanted my brows to grow a little further in than they do to my face, almost creating a unibrow, because unibrows are beautiful, to be honest with you. You girls who have unibrows, you are blessed. Girl, you got the best brows ever. Like, for real though. You just gotta learn how to own them. So what I'm doing, and this might look crazy, girl, but don't worry, you gotta trust your process. So I'm basically, like I said, I'm just shading in what I already have. I'm not going too light and I'm not going too dark. This brow pencil actually is a little too light for me and my pleasures as far as the brown, and it kind of gave me like a red tinny to it too, but whatever. Now what I'm doing is I'm grabbing my little brush. I've gotten a little foundation of what my brows look like on there from the tip to the middle, and I just forgot my wing because as you can see, my kind of wing is existent, but it's kind of non-existent, and I haven't done my brows in a while as far as waxing. So what I'm doing here is I'm basically just gonna use this brush to just pull this pencil color outward, just to push it, you know what I'm saying, just to give it some on my brows. So I'm literally just pulling it doing that with the top like this. I'm going like this, and I'm also going like this. You can also do it like this. It's totally up to you. So I'm literally just pulling, stretching it. Okay, and now I'm just curving it out. So as you can see, I'm trying to create that wing that I'm gonna have. Okay, so from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and create my wing. I've kind of gotten it to where I want it to be. It's not completely fluffed out like I want, but it's good, honestly. It's really good. And I just decided mid-recording that I'm gonna just do this eye for you guys, and I'm gonna pop this one on because I kind of giving you what I'm gonna do for both sides. And then, yeah, so I'm just gonna do this eye for you guys, and I'm gonna pop this one on. And then, yeah, that'll be that. You guys want some more in-depth tutorials on the brows, just leave it in the comment section. I would love to do it. But yeah, this is just so simple. Wanted to do this really quick because I wanted to look cute for today. Go ahead and create my wing, got my same brow pencil. Now I'm gonna get right here because I need to see it. But I'm just basically gonna pull this downward. So I'm just going in, I'm following the traces, and I'm just pulling it downward. And it might be a straight line because that's kind of what we want. I'm just making sure that I'm getting it from the top, and I'm pulling it down. So I don't think I gotta pull it down too far because if I want it, it's actually pretty cute like this. But honestly, I go a little farther down, so I'm not even gonna lie about that. So yeah, now what I'm gonna do, I got that same pencil and I'm just pulling it just because I want it to go right there. And now I'm about to go in and pull it down. I'm not gonna pull it down too much because it's gonna pull out the color, and then I'm about to go back in, but I pulled it down just a little more. And now I'm gonna go back in for some more color detail and just trace over that. And then what I do, I use my finger, guys. You see I got that little mark on it? That was because I literally just swiped my finger so close to where I was drawing just so I could clean it up as much as possible. So yeah, we're done with that. I've done that. I'm done with that. That's that. Like I might need to go in here. I might see a little, you know, it could be a little darker right there. Go in with the pencil. And I'm just gonna color over it. And whatever I do, I just go back in with the brush and just brush it out so it can be smooth and not harsh lines. That's what I'm basically doing. I had to think about it. I'm basically just smoothing it out so it's not so harsh where I just was literally scraping it on there. I'm like, now I'm going in and I'm smoothing it out. Okay, and we're done with that, guys. Like I'm literally done. That was it. That's basically the tutorial. A little brush, it doesn't even matter really. It could be fatter than that, a little smaller than that, but I think the smaller the better, because the smaller the more you're gonna be able to crease it. And we're gonna get some concealer. Now this part is optional. You obviously, how crisp and cute this is, you could go out just like this and be good. But I like to go the extra mile and add some concealer. Concealer just makes it look so extra clean. So I always get two different concealers. I get one that's exactly my color and I get one that's lighter than my color. Maybe up to 2 shades, your choice. So this is what I'm going with. This is kind of more than 2 shades, but this is what I like. So maybe you could go a little further. It's up to you. This is what I do. I go ahead and I just get a little smidge off of there. Literally a little smidge. And I just kind of put it on my finger. A little extra. So then I got a little bit. So what I do, I get as close as possible to this as possible. Like literally as close as possible without cutting up these lines that I've just created. As close as possible. I'm gonna get in this camera, this mirror, because if I get in this mirror, I don't think it's gonna be as crisp as I need. So just watch over here. Like I'm saying, as close as possible. You'll see what I mean once I put it on it. Sometimes I don't start all the way up here. I start in this inner corner because this is what's important as far as creasing to me. To you, it might be something different, but to me, that's what's important. So I just crease from this inner corner area. So I start probably right in here because as you can see, my brows are done and this is messy. So I'm gonna start in here, cover that, and I'm gonna cover this, and I'm gonna cover this, and I'm gonna get right here. Probably start about right here. Might finish the end, who knows? We'll see. Okay. So obviously this is gonna take a steady hand. You're gonna have to be patient, honey. You're gonna have to be patient with yourself. You're gonna have to take your time. Okay, you can't be doing this 5 minutes if you know 5 minutes before you gotta run out the door. You can't be doing this and Janie just told you she outside. You can't. I gave yourself a little time, okay? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab that color that's literally my color, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna, as you can see, this one's been used to, like, used up. I need a new one. So I'm gonna get as close on that color as I can. And literally just sit something right up under it. You can get any kind of little fat brush that you can find. This is a foundation brush, y'all. So get any kind of little fat brush. You might can use the egg, but I wouldn't use the egg one because it's so fluffy. You can't get it as creased as you need to get this cleared up. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna brush outward. Always brushing outward with the brows for me. I'm brushing outward and I'm cleaning this up, mixing it together. Okay? I can do this probably right here. See how I'm getting both of those cleared up? So let me get over here because I need to see. So I'm using this motion. Because if you pat it, sometimes it'll just, and that's it. Now, if you need to, you could do the top, but I usually don't sometimes. And if I do the top, and sometimes I do, and if I do the top, I'm using the one that's literally my same color. I'm not even going in with the one that's lighter than my color because I feel like that needs to only highlight right at that arch. So for the top one, if I need to do it, I'm using the color that's my skin color, as close as possible. Yeah, that's that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. So that is the end of this video. If this video did help you, be sure to like and leave me a comment. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you loves on the next video. Thanks for viewing.